Good morning, second class students. How are you? How did you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? I hope you did well. Did you eat undrallu, kudumulu, garelu and burelu? Your mother prepared all these, no children? Yes. To worship Ganesha, we offer 21 types of leaves. Isn't it? Okay, coming to the lesson. What is the name of second lesson? Uses of plants. Okay, uses of plants. Plants are very useful for us. From morning till night we eat so many kinds of plant products. Okay, we get lot of food material coming from the plants. Plants are very useful for us. So food from the plants. Okay, already I taught these points. See here. Okay, we get fruits from the plants, we get vegetables from the plants, and also we eat leaves of some plants like see here, cabbage, lettuce, spinach and coriander. These leaves we eat. Yes, we eat leaves of these plants like cabbage, spinach and coriander. We also eat roots of plants. Some plants store food material in their roots. What are they? Carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. So we eat roots of some plants. What are those? Turnip, radish, carrot and beetroot. Okay, these plants store food material in their roots. Okay, now we eat leaves of plants. We eat roots. Okay, we eat leaves of plants and we eat roots of plants. Okay, carrot is very good for health, good for our eye. Okay, beetroot juice is very good for our health. Okay, now and also we will get nuts from the plants. Okay, plants give us nuts. What are the examples of nuts, amma? Groundnut, walnut, cashew nut. You like very much, no children? Okay, so we get nuts from the plants such as groundnut, walnuts and cashew nut. Okay, now and also we will get food grains. Food grains means cereals. What are the food grains coming from the plants, amma? Rice and wheat. Okay, now rice, wheat and oats, these are all the food grains coming from the plants. Okay, and also some more useful products like, see here, this is your science textbook. Okay, see, these are all the pea and kidney beans. What we call them? These are called pulses. Okay, now what are the examples of pulses? Pea, okay, kidney bean, gram. Okay, now so many are there: black gram, green gram, red gram. Okay, pea, kidney beans, beans. These are all the examples of pulses, amma. Okay, these are rich source of proteins. Proteins are very good for your health. Okay, proteins are very necessary to your body. Okay, na. So you are the growing children, you need more protein food. Proteins are rich in pulses. Next, see spices, cardamom and black pepper. Okay, now we also get many types of spices from plants such as pepper, clove, cardamom. These are called spices. Okay, now some spices are ground in a mixture and used in powder form, amma. Okay, for example, turmeric, you know, pasupu, turmeric powder coming from the turmeric. Turmeric used in powder form, no children. Every day your mother used the turmeric powder. Okay, na, for preparing curries. Okay, na, for puja also we are using turmeric powder. Okay, na. So and come next, oils. Oils also coming from plant. Okay, plants means seeds of some plants are used to make oil. What are the oils coming from the plants, amma? Mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil and groundnut oil. These oils also made with seeds. Okay, na, seeds of some plants. Okay, na. So how do these oils come from, amma? These oils are oil seeds. Oil seeds are used to preparing oils. Okay, na. Seeds of some plants like mustard, sunflower, coconut and groundnut used used for making oils. What is the use of oil, amma? For cooking and for oiling the hair, we have to use the oils. Okay, is it clear, children? We get coconut oil. Okay, from the coconut, we get sunflower oil from the seeds of sunflower. We get mustard oil from the mustard seeds. We get groundnut oil from the groundnut seeds. What is the use of oils? Oils are used for cooking food and also for oiling the hair. Okay, and also see beverages means what? Beverages means coffee and tea powders. Okay, na? So we get coffee and tea and cocoa come from the plants also. Okay, na? Every day your mother and father, grandparents also drinking coffee or tea, no children. So we get coffee powder come from the coffee seeds. We get tea powder come from the leaves of tea. Okay, na? And also chocolates are made from the seeds of cocoa plant. Is it clear, amma? Every day your mother, father and your grandparents, every day they are drinking coffee or tea. How do they get, amma? Coffee powder come from the coffee seeds and tea powder come from the tea leaves. And chocolates, you know chocolate, how chocolates are made, amma? Chocolates are made from the seeds of cocoa plant. Is it clear? And some of the other uses of plants, amma. See, plants have various other uses, amma. So we get cotton. See here, this is the cotton plant. Okay, cotton come from the cotton plant. Okay, and we also jute. This is the jute plant. This is the jute plant. These are all the jute products. Okay, na? So fibers means fiber from the plants. Cotton and jute are fibers that we get from the plants. Okay, so these fibers are mainly used for making clothes. They are also used to make socks, shoes and bags, etc. Okay, we get fibers come from the plants, ma. Okay, fiber, cotton fiber and jute fiber coming from the plants. Okay, cotton fiber used to make clothes, sarees. Okay, now see, this is the napkin. This is also made with cotton fiber. Okay, towels also made with cotton fiber. Okay, and your shirts, okay, my saree, all these made with cotton fiber. So what is the use of cotton fiber? Cotton fiber is used to make cotton clothes. Okay, jute fiber also used to make ropes, okay, and bags. See here, this is the bag, jute bag. This bag is made with jute fiber. Okay, na jute fiber is used to make bags, purses, okay, ropes. Okay, na. And also see here some products they given, some toys. Okay, na jute. Okay, jute and cotton are the fibers. Okay, na we are using cotton clothes, cotton sarees. Okay, cotton shirts, okay, towels, okay, and napkin. These are made with cotton fiber. Okay, and jute also used for making ropes, tadlu and bags. Okay, bags. Okay, and shoes, jute chappals also there, children. Okay, these two are very useful for us. These two. For example, jute fiber, cotton fiber, those two fibers come from the plants. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, cotton fiber, jute fiber come from the plants. Cotton is used for making clothes, towels, napkins, okay, and sarees. Jute fiber used to make ropes, okay, bags, handbags, okay, and purses and shoes, okay, and some more items. Is it clear, ma? Jute fiber, cotton fiber also come from the plants. Okay, medicines also come from the plants, but not all medicines, only few. Means they are used for making medicines. They are using neem leaves and tulsi leaves. Okay, and cloves. Okay, I will show you cloves, lavangalu. Okay, na these also used to treat the toothache. Okay, na. And what are the plants used to make medicine? Some are neem leaves, okay, vapaku, and also basil, tulsi leaves used to make medicines. Okay, now clove is used to treat the toothache, and also some soaps and perfumes also. Soap and perfumes also. Perfumes. These are made with some oil, some juice and oils of the plants. So how do these prepare? How do soaps and toothpaste and perfumes prepare, amma? How do they get from the plants? Let us see. See here, juice and oils, juices and oils. Okay, see here, juices and oils of certain plants are used to make soap, toothpaste and perfumes, amma. Okay, flowers of flowers. See, I will show you flowers. Okay, see here, already some flowers, they may give us good smell, no children. See here, jasmines and rose. Okay, see here, this is the rose and these are all the jasmines. Okay, jasmines and marigold and yes, marigold is also there. Yes, and chamanti. All these flowers, they may give us good smell. Okay na. And also some people are made oil. Okay na. By using the flowers. Okay na. So some soaps, some perfumes also made from the flowers. Okay, see children. Okay, see here. And okay, soap. See here. Okay, flowers and leaves of some plants also used to make bouquet, amma. Okay, now for functions, for marriages, we will give bouquets to your friends, no children. Okay, now we express our feelings okay, by giving bouquet. Okay, now flowers are used to make perfumes. Okay, now sometime we are using the flowers for decoration. For worship the God, we are using the flowers. Okay na. So soaps, perfumes, okay na, and also toothpaste. These are also made from the plant products. Okay na. So flowers, they give good smell, amma. Okay na. So flowers are some plants such as rose and jasmine and lavender. Okay na. And these are used to make perfume. Okay, your father or mother apply perfume on their bodies. Ask your mother or your father to show the perfume bottle. How do they made? They are making with by using the flowers. Is it clear? Okay, children. So flowers have some plants like rose, jasmine, okay, lavender. These are used to make perfumes that give good smell, no children. Okay, if we apply some perfume on our body, they give good smell. That's why your mother or father and some more other people also using perfumes. Perfumes give good smell. Okay na. And flowers also used for decoration of your houses, for marriages, for functions. We are using flowers, more beautiful flowers. Okay na. We express our feelings okay, by giving more bouquets and flowers. Okay na. For example, your friend celebrate birthday. Okay na. Celebrate birthday or any function. We are giving bouquets, isn't it? We are giving flowers or bouquets. Okay na. And wood from the plants, amma. Okay, see, this is the toy aeroplane. This is also made with the wood. Wood also come from the plants like teak, sal. Okay, and see some these trees give us wood, amma. What is the use of wood? We make lot of furniture by using the wood. Okay, dressing table, dining table, boards, okay, toys, okay, doors, windows, all these made with wood. Okay na. And also plants, okay, paints, varnishes and dyes from the plants. Okay, this is the henna powder. Okay, this is the henna leaves. Okay, see, these are all the henna leaves. Okay, henna or mehandi. Okay, henna or mehandi used as dyes. Okay, your mother or father used mehandi powder to apply on hair, amma. For coloring of your hair, people are using mehandi or henna powder. Okay, varnishes. Varnish means what, amma? That is a liquid, amma, applied on a materials for shining. For shining tables, for shining benches, okay, dressing table, okay, sofas, okay. So those are made with wood. Okay, things which are made with wood, we apply varnish on them. Okay, na. Okay, they may give shine. If we apply varnish on those material, they may give shine. Okay, na. What is called varnish, amma? That is a liquid. Okay, that is a liquid apply on materials for giving shine. Okay, na. So varnish, paints, dyes also come from the plants. Okay, now what is called varnish, amma? That is the liquid applied on material for giving shine. Okay, now so varnish, that is called varnish. That is a liquid. Okay, now some wood materials also there in our houses, no children, dressing table, dining table, cots, windows. Okay, na. So we apply varnish on them. They may give shine. Okay, na. And also fresh air from the plants. Okay, plants produce oxygen, that is very useful for breathing. Okay, na. And keep the environment clean. Okay, na. If more plants and trees also there in our surrounding, they may give us more oxygen. Okay, and more fresh air. Fresh air means oxygen. Okay, na. Fresh air, they keep our surroundings clean. Okay, na. That is called environment. Environment means what? See here, natural surroundings of living things is called environment. If you grow more plants and trees in our surroundings, they only absorb poisonous gases or harmful smokes and make the air very fresh and keep the environment very clean. Is it clear? Environment means our natural surroundings of a living things. Okay, now who make the air fresh and clean? Our green plants only keep the environment very clean. Okay, now so fresh air come from the plants and trees. We will get lot of oxygen from the plants and trees. During the daytime, they give us a lot of oxygen. That is very, very useful for all living organisms. Okay, now for breathing. Okay, and if we grow more plants and trees around our house, okay, they may keep our surroundings very clean. Is it clear, amma? So this is the second lesson. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you textbook grammar. Is it clear? Is it clear? What are the items come from the plants? What we discussed in this class, amma? Okay, fibers come from the plants. Okay, now fibers means cotton and jute come from the plants. Okay, what are the medicines? Some medicines also made with by using the leaves of neem and leaves of basil. Tulsi leaves and neem leaves used as the medicines, and soap, perfumes also coming from the plants. Some juices and oils are used to make soaps and perfumes. We are using the flowers for making perfume. Okay, na. And neem oils also coming from the flowers. Okay, na. Rose oil is there, lavender oil is there. We apply on our hair. They may give good smell. That's why people are using perfumes and soaps. Okay, na. Soaps. Okay, natural soaps and natural perfume. They are made with the flowers and leaves of plants. Okay, na. And we get wood from the plants. Which trees give us wood? Teak, sal and shisham. These are the trees. They give us wood. What is the use of wood? For making furniture. Okay, dining table, dressing table, sofa. Okay, windows and doors. Okay, and varnishes and dyes also come from the plants. Varnish means that is a liquid applied on material for giving good shine of the things or materials. Okay, na. And dye means henna powder is used, or henna paste used on apply on our hair for coloring of your hair. People are using henna powder, means mehandi leaves. Okay, na. Rubber come from the rubber tree. Okay, na. Fresh air come from the plants. What is the environment? Natural surroundings of a living things is called the environment. Okay, na. So keep your environment very clean by growing more plants and trees, children. Okay, bye, take care, see you tomorrow.